Hello, today I want to pick this Securemme K2, which is a dimple, maybe high pin count lock from Italy with 10 pins in 5 rows, in 2 rows, 5 pins each, and it's pretty loose in terms of tolerances, and it's not that trivial to pick. I guess it's not like any difficult or anything, but the high lifts you really need to lift quite high, and the tolerances sometimes make it confusing to pick. Okay, that's tension. One on the right is binding first. Good, 2 is good, 3 is good, 4 is good, 5 is good. Go to the left, 1 is binding slightly. 2 is binding heavily. 1 jumped, 2 is set. 1 is binding again. Good click. 2 is set, 3 is okay. 4 is binding. Okay, feels set. Now we're gonna preset 5 because it's a spool, and spools tend to drop pretty much resettled lock while setting in this lock. Three is binding now. Reset it. Okay. 1 is good, 2 is good, 3 is good, 4 is good, 5 is good. In the left row, now the right row. 1 is set, 2 is okay for now, 3 is binding. Click there, 4 is binding, click there, 5 is binding, also a spool. 1 is good, 2 is binding now, okay, 3 is stiff, 4, 1, I think after touching 2 we got this open, so yeah. That's it in terms of picking this lock. Alright, let's move the computer. Let's put the lock here. Let's get our pink tray. Okay. What's the clip on this lock? I think this one is really terrible. Or it's not so bad, I'm not sure. But I think I remember it being pretty terrible. Looks like it's okay. Gonna do that then. It wasn't so bad, right? I think we want to trim this lock, actually. Whoop. I think it's gonna be okay. Seems like it. Let's see the top of this car. It's filed flat, a little bit flattened. That makes picking a little bit easier. Okay, that's the left row. That's a small ball bearing. From here, I think that's some construction keying. Yep, seems like it. Okay, so left row is on the bottom. The right row is on the top. These pins are all the same anyways, but since left is on the bottom, let's do it properly. Okay, just don't waste time for springs, just now. Yeah, and I messed up the order, of course. Because those should be the last pin on the first. All right. Yeah. There we have the pins. Left row, which is on the top now. As we see, it corresponds to the cuts pretty well. Then we have the right row. I'm orienting the rows Euro style. So left and right pins down. I mean, yeah, these pins give some nice counter rotation. I think they might be wider on the bottom than normal pins, That's why they drop a lot of pins while setting, while allowing to fall into the false set. They tend to drop a lot of previously set pins. That's why I have preset them. And that's the main difficulty with this lock, I think, and also that these high lifts are quite high to lift all the way, especially with this wording, which is substantial. Yeah. So yeah, I think that would be pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Have a nice day and bye bye.